Mathomo ma maabitha mbiraru kuma bururi wa Ngeretha ni umwe wa maundu maria maheaga tauni ya Nanyuki kaunti ya Laikipia igweta. Unyitaniri uyu wa bururi wa Kenya na Ngeretha niguo utumite baruthi uria urarikia wira Nick Haley acerere Governor Nderitu Muriithi kumugira uhoro.
Making sure we are a welcome and a productive guest here that contributes to the local economy in the development of this county overall.
Kuhusu kazi ambazo tunazitekeleza pamoja katika sekta ya mifugo, katika mambo ya maji, katika mambo ya elimu, haswa elimu ya wasichana.
Nderitu Muriithi augite unyitaniri uyu ni uteithitie kaunti ino gukura na ikarigo kumakagia na umithio.
Na tukalenga jinsi uhusiano wetu na sisi kama Kenya na haswa kaunti yetu ya Laikipia, jinsi ya kuimarisha uhusiano na uwekezaji.
Bururi wa Ngeretha ni wiranire guthie na mbere na guteithiriria ikari kugerera tabarira itiganite cia uthii wa na mbere.
Only last week our development minister visited the fattening program on Borana Ranch, where pastoralists are now able to get their cattle to a far better market weight and sell them for far more money and enhance their prosperity.
Haley augite ena mwihoko baruthi uria uraiukia giturwa giki Jane Marriott ni egutwarithia na mbere tabarira ici cia guteithiriria muingi.
And what we've been doing there is to bring development money in to solve some of the problems around the water sector in this town in such a way that it becomes investable for a private company.
Kaunti ya Laikipia iria ikoragwo na iguciririo nyingi cia ugendi iratanya kuguciriria agendi makiria kuma bururi wa Ngeretha.
Jinsi ya kustawisha utalii, jinsi ya vile tuweza kuwa na watalii wengi kutoka nchi ya Uingereza hapa kwetu Laikipia.
Nick Haley akoretwo ari baruthi wa Ngeretha guku bururi-ini kwa ihinda ria miaka 4. Ngiribotra Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.